Hello YouTube, today I am here with new gadget. I brought Fire TV stick, Amazon Fire TV stick after lots of research, and recently I sold my old Android TV box. So this stick was being sold on offer for 2800 rupees, but I missed that offer, so I had to buy it for 4000 rupees. This is Fire TV stick 3rd generation latest model with the smart remote. You can see there is texture on the box itself. Dolby Atmos, Full HD, quad core, Wi-Fi. Press and ask Alexa. That's all. Good performance. You can pause the video if you want to see all this. The MRP is 5000 rupees. This is the pack piece. Let me quickly open it. They are given the direction to squeeze it on this side. Sorry for the delay. Yeah, you are supposed to remove it like this. So this is how the package is. This is the Hdmi Extender. Very solid build quality. No Amazon branding so far, but it is of very nice build quality. This is the main thing of this Android, Fire TV stick 3rd generation. This remote itself will cost you 2000 if you break this remote or miss this remote. This is the USB cable. You can see the length is pretty long, but honestly I don't need this much length. So this is the micro USB. This is user manual. No one will read it. And this is the actual product. I don't know it's made in India or made in China. Honestly, for me it doesn't matter. So this is how all the packages. There is something else inside. Okay, I'm supposed to open it from this side. Okay, so this is the power adapter, and these are original Amazon Basics AAA batteries. These batteries are heavier than Duracell. Okay guys, I used Duracell, but these batteries are of little better quality. Industrial grade alkaline, they say. Very nice. I will buy these batteries here onwards. So this is the power rating. Actually I was planning to use this device directly, power this device directly by USB port of my television, but I read some comments online and there is some purpose to provide this, right? So that purpose is to provide the streamline voltage to your Fire TV stick, and you won't put this device into risk just to avoid some mess of wiring. Okay, so I will use this. I won't skip this one. Okay, now I'll quickly set it up and get back to you. So this is how the remote looks. The buttons are clicky I hope you can hear the sound. So here the light is blinking. This is how the remote looks, and this is how the cells are inserted inside. Made in China. The remote is worth 2000 rupees because it has that build quality. This is Bluetooth remote. This is not a standard remote, and this remote will control my television itself. So now onwards, I won't be using this television remote. This is LG television remote. This is not a smart TV. This is normal infrared remote. I hope this remote will work and operate my TV as well. That is the whole purpose I brought this instead of Xiaomi TV box. Pause. So now I installed the Fire TV stick in this HDMI 2 output, and I have one more HDMI, but I don't want to take the risk of protruding my Fire TV stick this way, because if someone handles it, it will be risky. So this is safe. It is hidden behind the TV safely, and this is how I know this is little messy, but this is how I have given the power supply. Now let's turn it on for the first time. I connected my Fire TV stick, and this is the first screen you will see. Let me see if India, English India is there. So it's good thing that we have English India language. I will select that. Scanning for network. So in this case, I can't connect my Ethernet cable. Okay, guys, I will go with 5G network. Signal strength very good. Signal strength very good. My router is connected just next to this television. So I will go with 5G band. Connection successful. Okay, so there is some update. The only con with this stick is I won't be able to use it at all if there is no internet connection. Now I will sign into my account. I signed in. There are no kids, so I don't need parental control. The remote is really heavy, guys. You will feel that there is good quality. We will be playing music through next step. Please make sure that volume is turned up. Okay. So now you can hear some music. With your Fire TV remote pointed at your TV, toggle the volume up and down buttons. Okay. Oh, great. Yes. Let the music volume change and come out as expected. Okay. Yeah. Volume is working perfectly fine. Your Fire TV remote is now successfully set up. Okay. The con is that there are 100 steps to control the volume and of my television. So now it's loading. So I will have to press it and hold it for long time. That is the con. In previous Android setup box, it had its own volume, and that was into step of 10 only. So I never had a problem. So introducing volume Fire TV experience, the main new menu. Decide what you find. Personalize TV profile. Okay. Yes, that's me. Okay, so it's ready and set up. The UI looks so crystal clear, guys. You will get the feel of premium standard UI. So I guess it should have auto logged in into my accounts, because all my accounts are connected with the same email ID. Let's see if we are into Netflix directly or not. If it asks for again login. Okay. Download on it. I'm not understanding. Okay, this is, we need to download all these apps. Okay guys, one by one. So that's all guys. Now I will set up it at my own pace. I just wanted to show you how the first boot-in looks like. I'll use it for a few days and will make long-term review. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Live loud.